Stop. You've been lied to. The YouTube algorithm isn't a lottery. It is a system of architectural math. While you're recording 4K gameplay and wondering why it is sitting at 16 views, the top 1% are exploiting a metric you have never heard of: impression velocity. Within the next 150 seconds, while I dismantle this boss without taking a single hit, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint to hit 100,000 subscribers. Phase 1. The click-through rate trap. Most creators think a good thumbnail is enough. They are wrong. Your thumbnail isn't just an image, it is a user intent map. If your title and thumbnail don't solve a curiosity gap in under 1.5 seconds, the algorithm flags your content as low-value noise. You don't need first impressions. You need authority. Phase 2. Statistical significance. When you upload, YouTube gives you a seed audience. If your average view duration is under 50%, you have failed the stress test. To fix this, stop the 30-second intros. No generic greetings. Start in the dead center of the conflict. Make the viewer feel like they are losing something if they click away. Phase 3. The conversion gap. This is where 99% of gaming channels die. You are getting views, but 0 subscribers. Why? Because you are a utility, not an identity. People subscribe to people, not pixels. Use your hardware. Use your RTX power to create an aesthetic standard that others simply cannot replicate. You aren't just a gamer, you are an architect of experience. Every single frame of your footage must be screenshot worthy. The final secret. YouTube rewards frequency over quality, only until you hit the trust threshold. Once you are there, quality becomes your only currency. One video cannot fix a dying channel, but 30 can rewrite your entire trajectory. Starting today, I am executing a 30-day, 30-video sprint to deconstruct the YouTube algorithm bit by bit. Hit subscribe, and lock in your access to the ultimate architectural blueprint. Day 1 is in the books. Let's build.